Alright, so today I have a newer model Acura MDX, and the customer states that the key fob had gone bad. They had a locksmith come out to make a new key. He ended up killing both keys. Then a technician came out to work on it, and he ended up killing the car. I think it's in anti-theft mode. I'm not sure. I tried my best to get it to do things, and the only way you can get these into neutral with the electronic transmission is there's a bolt that's down in the engine well that you turn, and there's a bunch of stuff in front of it because it's a hybrid, and I'm not going to mess with it. So this being a front-wheel drive car gives me a little bit of issue because trying to skate it down onto this pavement is a problem. And that is one of the primary reasons that I always keep a little bit of dish soap on the truck, because when you don't have proper lubricant, it makes great lubricant for the skates. So what we're going to do is pull this up a little bit until the give on the transmission stops, which is going to be right about there. I'm going to do some generous lube job here. There we go. Beat this baby in. Now, one of two things is going to happen. It's going to slide down to the pavement and then allow me to use a chalk because it'll stop, or I will have to give it some physical encouragement. We'll see which one. But this is going to make a big load of difference in me getting this vehicle off of the car, or off of the truck, with the car and the front wheel drive on the end of the bed. Typically using skates, I want whatever is stuck to be up there. That way weight and momentum carries it. But this car was nose in the garage, and that wasn't possible. The other thing I'm going to do, because this wheel is going to want to turn on its own, is secure this steering wheel. I have my rope here, my handy dandy rope. So I love using rope for all sorts of things. I got the wheels pretty much in place where I want. I'm going to run a cow hitch, nice and tight. Pull the door on it, and that will hold the steering wheel in place so that it doesn't go off and hit that car or the car next to it. We're just going to take this rope and get it out of the way so that it's not dragging. Good to go. Now, what we're going to attempt to do is to get this thing to slide down on its own, but we'll see what it does. And hopefully it does. So here we go. Look at that. Alright, so as you can see, wheels are on the ground. That's exactly what I want. Those rear wheels are going to be free, and that's going to allow me to do the next part of this procedure. And so there you have it. This 2019 Acura MDX is safely off the bed, and all that's left to do is to get my skates out, and of course I want to retrieve my rope. Can't go anywhere without it. Rope is one of those simple pleasures in life. Anyways, that's how you get that done. Thanks for watching. As always, like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I'll see you next time.